Hey everyone, what's going on? It's James with Jupiter Marine, and we are back with episode 2 of Jupiter Builds the 43. As you can see here behind me, the hull has been brought out of lamination, sitting on a rolling stand, ready to go through its next steps. Let me take you through them. With all the major pieces released from their molds, such as the deck here, this episode is going to focus on refinement and preparation in order for all the next steps that come. Each part begins with precision trimming. Excess fiberglass is removed from the hull, inner liner, deck, and T-top, creating clean, accurate edges that ensure perfect alignment during assembly. Once trimmed, the pieces are polished and perfected. The hull receives its first finish work, the liner is cleaned and detailed, and the T-top and deck are smoothed and refined. Every surface must meet Jupiter standards before moving forward. With base trimming and polishing complete, the liner and deck move into their next stage of preparation. The liner, the full interior floor of the boat, receives all major cutouts. Technicians create openings for any hatches, as well as the hole for where the cabin will lay bonded to the hull. These cuts define the layout and function of the 43, so accuracy here is a must. The deck, which forms the upper ring of the boat, is pre-rigged with electrical wiring. Harnesses for lighting, speakers, and other accessories are routed cleanly under the deck structure so they can tie directly into the helm and other control systems later in the build. Pre-rigging at this stage ensures accuracy, reduces installation complexity later, and maintains Jupiter's high standards for serviceability. With clean surfaces and precise measurements, the team cuts the holes and installs the through hull fittings. These components support drainage, water intakes, and multiple other onboard systems. Each fitting is sealed and torqued with long-term durability in mind. Trim tabs are installed next. With the transom fully accessible, the electric tab systems and wiring are routed cleanly through the 43 structure, setting the boat up for precise control and confident offshore performance. After the trim tabs are installed, the fuel tanks are set into their molded cavities. They're positioned for balance and securely bond to the hull for offshore stability. Once installed, the tanks become an integrated part of the boat's overall structure. Fuel lines, vents, and water hoses are secured and labeled. Clean routing at this stage ensures safety, ease of service, and long-term dependability. Other components are also installed at this time, such as fuel filters, fuel switches, as well as the generator exhaust tubing and the diesel tank for the generator. With the underdeck systems taking shape, the Seakeeper is installed next. The mounting location is engineered into the structure of the boat, allowing the unit to be securely positioned low and centered for maximum effectiveness. Once set, the Seakeeper is mechanically fastened and tied into the boat's systems, becoming a major part of the 43's offshore platform. This addition dramatically reduces roll and improves comfort both at rest and underway, enhancing the overall experience without compromising performance. By the end of episode 2, every major component, the liner, deck, T-top, and cabin modules has been trimmed, polished, and prepared. The hull has also received all of its underdeck rigging. The 43 is no longer just a collection of parts, it's a coordinated system ready for the next stage of assembly.